If you don't know how to see liked reels on Instagram, follow my steps. Open your Instagram app, make sure you are logged into it. To see liked reels, you want to go to your profile by tabbing on the bottom right corner. Now tap on 3 horizontal line on the top right corner and then tap on your activities. Now here you want to tap on interactions and then you want to tap on likes. So here you can see liked reels on Instagram that you have just liked. To see if it really works, go to the reels and then like some of the videos. Then go back to your profile and then do the same procedure as before. Here you can see all the reels that you have just liked. You could also dislike the reels if you mistakenly like something or unintentionally hit the like button by selecting the reels that you want to unlike and then tap on unlike, which is on the bottom of the screen, and then tap on unlike. You can also edit reels by shorting it from oldest to newest or newest to oldest, or filter it by author or by date. And this is how you can see liked reels on Instagram. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped you out.